How can you change the size after order on Shein? Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'll make sure that you find out how you can change the size of order on Shein. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Open up the Shein application, then go to the Me section on the bottom right prompt. After that, select the Unpaid or Processing section on the My Orders option. After you tap on it, you'll be able to see all of your orders. Simply tap on the order that you want to change the size of and then press on Cancel Order. After that, select on the Confirm Cancel option and select the reason for why you chose this option. And once you do, you'll be able to add it to the cart or remove it from there. Let's go to the Add to Cart option for now, and then let's go to the page with the product again. Now let's rearrange the size and modify it, and after that let's go to the Add to Cart option again. Then let's go to our cart and then check out again. And it is as simple as that to change the size after order on Shein. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.